Hey everyone, you've just returned from a trip, your pockets jingling with foreign coins. You want to convert them to your main currency, but you're not sure how. Or maybe you've received money from a friend abroad and need to transfer it to your Monzo account. These are common scenarios, and in this video, we'll guide you through the process of removing money to Monzo. Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at a pile of foreign cash, wondering how to turn it into something you can actually use? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of international money transfers and show you how to seamlessly move your funds to your Monzo account. Understanding Monzo. Before we get into the specifics, let's briefly discuss what Monzo is. It's a popular digital bank known for its ease of use, fee-free international spending, and budgeting tools. If you're not already a Monzo customer, you might want to consider opening an account as it can simplify your financial life. Methods of removing money to Monzo. There are several ways to remove money to Monzo, each with its own advantages and drawbacks. Let's explore the most common methods. 1. Cash deposits. Local ATMs. If you're in a country where Monzo has a partnership with local banks, you can often deposit cash directly into your Monzo account using ATMs. This is a convenient option, but availability can vary depending on your location. Currency exchange services. Many currency exchange shops offer services to deposit cash into your Monzo account. This can be a good option if you have a large sum of money to convert. 2. Bank transfers. Domestic transfers. If you have a bank account in the same country as your Monzo account, you can often transfer funds directly from your bank to Monzo using online banking or mobile apps. International transfers. For transfers from foreign banks, you will typically need to provide your Monzo account details, including the IBAN and SWIFT code. Be aware that international transfers may incur fees from both your sending and receiving banks. 3. Peer-to-peer payments. Mobile apps. There are several mobile apps that allow you to send and receive money internationally. Some of these apps integrate with Monzo, making it easy to transfer funds directly to your account. 4. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Buying and selling. If you have cryptocurrency, you can sell it on a cryptocurrency exchange and then transfer the funds to your Monzo account. This can be a good option if you're comfortable with cryptocurrency trading. Choosing the right method. The best method for you will depend on several factors, including location. Where are you located? Amount of money. How much money do you want to transfer? Speed. How quickly do you need the funds? Fees. What are the fees associated with each method? Tips for removing money to Monzo. Check exchange rates. Before making a transfer, compare exchange rates from different providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Be aware of fees. Be mindful of any fees that may be charged by your bank, the receiving bank, or the transfer service. Security first. Always prioritize security when dealing with financial transactions. Use strong passwords, avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions, and be wary of phishing scams. Conclusion. Removing money to Monzo is a straightforward process that can be done in a few simple steps. By understanding the different methods available and considering factors like location, amount, speed, and fees, you can choose the best option for your needs. Call to action. Have you ever struggled to transfer money internationally? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. End. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.